My name is Stacy Stinson. I am the assistant professor of accounting at Concordia University, and I've been there for about 5 years. No one in my family had been in accounting. I did have people who were entrepreneurs in the family, but no one who had formal accounting background. Well, I got introduced to accounting through my high school. As a high school junior and senior, my accounting teacher actually was introduced to an accounting organization, the National Association of Black Accountants, and they actually came into the classroom and introduced us to the profession of accounting. With the National Association of Black Accountants, the thing that we did in high school, which really made me think of accounting as a service organization, was that we performed taxes. We did taxes with a program called VITA. We went to Milwaukee Public Library, we sat and we did volunteer taxes for people who came in. And that was in high school as a junior and a senior. So even before my first job, I saw accounting as a service profession. And from there, I went to UW-Milwaukee as an accounting major. So then my career went on to work in several companies in Milwaukee. I started off with a company doing auditing. Then ultimately, I went back to school to get my master's degree. Worked for Harley-Davidson for a number of years. And when I was working, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed training. I enjoyed mentoring young people. And so at a certain point in my career, I just thought that's a goal that I wanted to do. And being in accounting, you can do so many things. And so I decided that I would take the shot and try to go into the classroom, really to impact the profession from a different avenue. I really did want students to be able to see where they could go and the possibilities that they could have. And seeing someone in the classroom who looked like me, who maybe they wouldn't normally see, and have really good relationships, deep relationships with those students. And so I'm able to do that. If you want to be in business, accounting is a fantastic major to have. Accounting and becoming a CPA will allow you to understand business from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top. It is necessary to have people of all different walks of life in the business arena. And because CPAs participate on teams, marketing teams, we're looking at growing businesses, we're on strategy teams. It is necessary to have that diversity of thought. Accounting is based on money, and you have to have a trust with your accountant just like you have a trust with your physician or your attorney. And so having a diverse population means that you can service everyone. And so I like to get them thinking about it in a more personal way, to say, I am really doing something helpful. You know, it's not just I'm sitting behind a desk with my calculator and doing math. You really are impacting the world. You're having an impact on people's finances and on business decisions. And then I also like to get them involved into thinking that they are part of a business team. So they will be working with people in marketing and human resources, engineering. And then obviously always what gets them excited is the fact that we usually always have jobs. And the economy is very good for accountants. I have more accounting jobs than I have students. You can level up in accounting. So you can start with a 2-year degree, you can start with a 4-year degree, and you can move through the accounting profession. As an accountant, you can graduate, right? Get your bachelor's degree, and guess what? You can level up and go and get your master's degree in accountancy. And then ultimately you can level up and you can become a CPA.